Hello friends, here I am with an amazing quick recipe, easy and super tasty garlic rice. So handy for busy days and a great way to use garlic with leftover rice. The best part is it's made with more garlic, less oil and few ingredients. Rice turns out aromatic, flavorful and absolutely delicious. It's such a great alternative for pulao biryani when you want something fast, tasty and satisfying. Makes ultimate combination with all kinds of curries, especially chicken curry, mutton curry and veg curries. It's very soothing and comforting for sore throat, cold and cough as well. Let's get started. I'm going to use around 10 garlic cloves for 2 cups of cooked rice. As you see, these are big in size, so choose the quantity accordingly as per garlic size. First, chop the garlic into fine pieces. Our easy way is to use the chopper. Cut garlic into half and place in chopper. As you see, garlic gets minced quickly. Garlic adds incredible taste and kids will also enjoy thoroughly. Next, heat a pan. Add 2 teaspoon oil. It doesn't need much oil. Add half a teaspoon cumin seeds. Add quarter teaspoon turmeric. 2 green chilies. Then add minced garlic. Half a teaspoon salt. Saute on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure not to brown the garlic. It's a great way to add lots of garlic into diet. Smells so amazing with garlic flavor. In the meantime, let's season the rice. Add quarter teaspoon chili powder. This seems less but adds perfect spiciness. If you eat more spicy, add little more extra. Add 1 teaspoon pav bhaji masala powder or you can add chicken masala powder. If not, add garam masala powder and cumin powder in 1:2 ratio. Next, add half a teaspoon coriander powder. Mix all spices with rice well. This way flavors coat evenly with rice. Add the rice to the pan. Mix everything well. You can as well add white rice first directly to the pan, then spices and mix well. Cover with a lid and cook on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Turns so colorful, aromatic and very tasty dish. Garnish with coriander at the end. Turn off the flame and keep it covered with lid. Gets ready within 10 minutes. Such an easy and quick recipe with few ingredients and less oil. Serve hot and enjoy this ultimate tasty garlic rice with your favorite curries. Hope you like my recipe. See you again with many more amazing healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.